Welcome to Adorable Corner, where sensible reigns. It is our promise to keep you informed and entertained with all that makes sense. Do subscribe to this channel and like our videos always.
(182) Run command shortcut for Windows 10 to unleash hidden tweaks. Your presenter always on Adorable's Corner. Junaid Ahmed Emmanuel. Today we're going to strictly learn what is called run commands in Windows and what you can do with it. I am not going to be demonstrating everything you can do with run command. I have packaged 182 run commands shortcuts that you can easily and effectively use on Windows 10. And at the description of this video, you are going to have the link to download the PDF format or any other format you prefer to download. What are run commands? Run commands are the command you can type in a run dialog to carry out some actions in Windows 10. It could be to open an application, open a document, a folder, anything you want to activate on your Windows 10. It is possible to get it done with run command shortcut. And how to do that? I'm going to let you know. Just at a time. I'll be right back. Safely back at you now. So let's go into the run command shortcuts that I want to let you know today. First thing to know is how you can get into the run dialog, because without activating the run dialog, you cannot use the run command shortcut. So to activate the run dialog, you press the key combination Windows key plus letter R. R as you have it in the word Romeo or rice. Let's go.
Windows R, run dialog. Type the name of the program, folder, document or internet resource, and Windows will open it for you. Open, edit combo, work.
So when you type Windows plus R, that is the dialog you would get asking you to type something you want the PC to open for you. The first run command I'm going to demonstrate here is the one that will give you the Windows version you are using, which can be activated by typing WinVer, WINVER. So I'll go right ahead and type
WINVER.
Then I'll press the enter key.
WinVer, enter. Above Windows dialog. Microsoft Windows version 1809 OS build 17763.973 copyright 2018 Microsoft Corporation. All rights reserved. The Windows 10 Home single language op.
So right there you've just listened to the About Windows telling you the version of the Windows and so many more. If you care to read, you can read with your up or down arrow. And if your JAWS cannot read what you're looking for, just simply root your JAWS to PC and you'll be able to read everything. So I'll go to the second one. I'll close this one first.
Alt F4, JAWS Professional.
The second one I'm going to demonstrate is how you can activate your Bluetooth file transfer with run command. So I'll press my Windows R.
Windows R, run dialog. Type the name of a program, folder, document or internet.
And I'm going to type the following alphabet: F,
F,
S,
S,
Q,
Q,
U,
U,
I,
I,
R,
R,
T,
T.
and I'll press enter key.
Word, enter, Bluetooth file transfer, send files button. To activate, press spacebar, Alt+S.
If I decide to press my tab key once,
Receive files button. To activate, press spacebar.
receive files button. So instead of you going to the Bluetooth and activating Bluetooth options and all of that, you can just simply type that command in your run dialog, and you are just going to have your Bluetooth file transfer activated. So you can choose whether you want to receive or you want to send a file. I'll close this one now.
Alt F4, JAWS Professional.
Next is how you can access the list of all your applications in alphabetical order, but in File Explorer mode. Let's say you want to create shortcut to your application, on desktop, and through this method, you can do it successfully. So I'll access the list of all the applications installed on this PC by using run command. So I'll press my Windows R.
Windows R, run dialog.
Then I'll type the following word: shell apps folder, SHELL, the colon sign, APPS, folder, FOLDER, all without space. So let's type
F, F, S,
H,
H,
E,
E,
L,
L, L,
then colon,
shell, colon,
APPS,
J, P, P, T, D, S,
then folder,
F,
FOLDER, and I'll press my enter key.
Apps folder, enter, desktop, folder view list view, not selected recycle bin, 1 of 22, to move to items view.
So that done, I am now in the list of all the applications that we have, or if you like, you want to call it all of the programs that you have installed on this Windows 10 computer. I'll close this and move to the next one.
Alt F4, JAWS Professional.
Next is how to change your computer settings. Computer settings means your computer description, or you want to change your computer name. To do that, I'll go to Run Dialog and type the following commands.
Windows R, run dialog. Type the name of a program, folder, document or internet.
So let's type the following: S,
S,
Y,
Y,
S,
S,
D,
D,
M,
M,
dot, that's full stop,
sys, period,
CPL,
C, P, L.
and I'll press enter.
System properties dialog. Computer name page. Windows uses the following information to identify your computer on.
So this is where I can change my computer name. I can also set my computer's description. Imagine if I want to do this without run command shortcut. I would need to press a lot of keys and open a lot of programs before I can get here. I have just done that easily with the aid of run command shortcut. So as usual, I'll close this and go to the next one.
Alt F4, JAWS Professional.
Right now, I'll show you how you can go to date and time, or if you like, you call it time and date, with the run command. And I'll just do that by going to my run command and typing the appropriate commands here.
Windows R. Escape.
Run.
Desktop. Windows R. Run dialog. Type the
So that's my run dialog. I'll type the appropriate command, which is TIMEDATE dot, that's full stop,
Timed it.
then
Period.
CPL, and press enter.
Date and time dialog. Date and time page. Daylight saving time is not observed in this time.
Right here, I am on the date and time settings. Instead of going through control panel, blah blah blah, and then selecting time and date, you have just been able to done that easily, if you can use the run command shortcut. So I'll close this, move to the next one.
Alt F4, JAWS Professional.
Next, I'm going to open my default apps setting. Yeah, default apps. Don't be surprised, it is possible to do that also with run command. So let's go to the run dialog. Windows R,
run dialog. Type the name of the program, folder, document or internet resource, and Windows will open it for you. Open.
And I'm going to type here the following command: C O M P U T E R D E F A U L T S and press enter.
Settings. Default apps. Choose default applications. Email.
So here is my default apps settings. If I want to change any default application for anything, I can just use this run command shortcut to activate the default app settings instead of going through the long way of achieving the same thing. I'll close this, move to the next one.
Alt F4, JAWS Professional.
Next is to activate your disk cleanup by the use of run commands. So I'll go to my run dialog.
Windows R, run dialog.
I want to get into disk cleanup with the appropriate command. I'm going to type clean.mgr. So let's type C L E A N MGR and press enter.
JAWS Professional.
So if I press my Alt tab right now,
Disk cleanup for Windows C. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. Downloaded program file 0 bytes checked. 1 of 10.
I am already in the disk cleanup wizard. So if I want to do anything here, it's just to effect the change and it will be done. As simple as that. Go to the next one.
Alt F4.
Color display calibration. I can go here easily with the use of run command shortcuts. So what do? Go to run dialog.
Windows R, run dialog. Type the name of the program, folder,
and type the following command: DCCW. D for dog,
D,
C for cat,
C,
and I'll press C for cat again,
C,
then W,
W,
for whiskey, then press enter.
DCCW, enter, display color calibration, next button, to act.
As simple as that. I have just accessed my display color calibration easily without pressing much keys. I'll go to the next one.
Alt F4, JAWS Professional.
Now I'm going to be accessing my system info with run command shortcut. So I'm going to hit Windows plus R.
Windows R, run dialog.
Then I'll type the appropriate commands: M S I N F O, then 3 2 and press the enter key.
System information dialog. Tree 1 tree view. System.
Interesting, isn't it? You agree with me that it is. So let's move to the next one.
Alt F4.
I'm sure you are enjoying it. Let's go. Now I'm going to access Volume Mixer. Volume Mixer is where you can set the volume of various items on your system, be it speaker, be it just anything called volume. You can mix them to make sure they are okay. You can adjust anything about the volume. So I'll access the volume mixer with the appropriate run command shortcut. So let's go. Windows plus R.
Windows R. Run.
And I'm going to type here S N D V O L and press the enter key.
Enter. Volume mixer speaker / headphone Realtek high definition audio dialog. Speaker / headphone. Speaker / the ... up down slider 20.
Just as you can listen, we are already at the volume mixer menu. So move to the next one.
Alt F4. JAWS Professional.
If I wish to perform a system restore on my PC, do you know that I can also access that with the use of run command shortcut? Let me show you how. So I'll go to my run dialog. Windows are always the first thing to do here.
Windows R. Run.
Then I'm going to type the following commands. R S T R U and letter I. Then press my enter key.
Restore. Enter. System restore dialog. Restore system files and settings. System restore does not affect any of your documents.
Good. Right here, the system restore wizard has been activated successfully. Alright, that's all you'll be getting from me that I'll be showing you here. For the concluding part of the run dialog and the commands you can use with it, access the document in different format from the link that you will have in the description of the video. Okay, yet to subscribe to my channel, please help a friend to grow. Just go right ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'll be glad you do that for me. Till next time, it's your own Adorable's Corner saying bye for now. Thank you for your precious time watching and listening. We value your comment on our videos. For questions and concerns, please call +234 806160 9134 or send a mail to emmanueljunaidh@gmail.com. EMANUELJUNAIDH@gmail.com. Catch you on the next video. Cheers.